Roll number 39, B division, Harshal. Remove that BFE civil. Okay, just we want B39 and remaining
Okay,
things.
sir.
Okay, so recording started. Let me start the presentation. Okay. Hope the presentation is also started. Then we are here. Everything is uploaded. Please go through that. Go through the Google Classroom. So we studied these things last time. Okay. So two arbitrary constants. I think this is visible, na? Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Huh. So two
Yes, sir.
arbitrary constant. Therefore, we differentiated twice, and then we use determinant method to find the corresponding differential equation. Okay. Then same thing is done in next case also. Here, while writing the determinant, we have written the coefficient of 1 upon a square, 1 upon b square, and right hand side, and equated to 0. I forget to write equated to 0 here. So see what we want to do. Our aim is to remove the arbitrary constant. So at least you have to take the arbitrary constant, coefficient of the arbitrary constant. So 1 upon a square and 1 upon b square. If possible, you can take remaining terms as common, since ultimately they will cancel. Since we are equating determinant to 0, na? Or you can cancel it afterwards. There is no problem. Okay. Then last method is removing x or e raised to x from the right hand side. So here we differentiated, then we got 1 upon x on the right hand side, and we multiplied whole equation to remove the x. Same thing is done in next step also when we differentiate once again, and then we got the differential equation. Name of the differential equation is Euler's homogeneous differential equation. So here we understood formation in M3, since this is of second order, na, y2 is there, na. So here we are not solving this type of differential equation. In engineering mathematics 3, in M3 we'll study how to solve the Euler's homogeneous equation. Okay. Then here right side contain e raised to 2x, so we multiplied on both sides by e raised to minus 2x, and then just go on differentiating. Three constants are there thrice, and you will get the required differential equation. Okay. Then we understood what the solution of differential equation is. Solution is relation between x and y which satisfy given differential equation. Three types of solutions are there. We know. One, general solution. General solution means number of arbitrary constant equal to order of the differential equation. Next, particular solution, the constants are replaced by arbitrary constants are replaced by particular values. Then it is known as particular solution. And the last is singular solution. Hope you might have studied the singular solution. Anyone studied what is singular solution? Anyone googled it? किसी ने किया है, गूगल सर्च किया है क्या है सिंगुलर सॉल्यूशन, कैसे फाइंड कर सकते, कुछ एग्जांपल है किसी के पास? अरे कोणी बघितलं की नाही? आई एम ऑडिबल और नॉट? अंश कुछ सर्च किया या नहीं? अंश, गोपाल, नितन, तेजस, धनश्री, यार क्या बघितलं की नहीं? कुछ देखा ही नहीं है आपने? अमृत, कौस्तुभ, इसको आपने सर्च किया ही नहीं क्या है सिंगुलर सॉल्यूशन? कुछ इंटरेस्ट है या नहीं मैथ्स में? वल्लभ, कुछ देखा ही नहीं? अथर, हाँ, श्रेयस काय केलं?
ट्रायल and error method.
So who want to take around 5 to 7 minutes seminar on singular solution? Yes, who is interested? किसको लेना है? Yes. अरे तुम्ही इंजिनियर आहे की काय आहे? कसले इंजिनियर? Or you don't believe PCCOR, or you don't believe me, or you don't believe engineering? काय एक्झॅक्टली काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे? करणार आहे की नाही अभ्यास?
Right now or tomorrow?
हाँ सरस बोल ना.
Tomorrow or today?
I'm not getting your voice.
Sir, he is asking tomorrow or today.
What? Seminar?
Yes, sir.
Seminar we'll have in next week.
Topic?
Next week. स्वराज, आप कुछ पढ़ रहे हैं या नहीं, या ऐसे टाइम पास कर रहे हैं? यू आर नॉट थिंकिंग इन दिस वे ना कि COVID is there, pandemic is there, so probably exams will be like this only. See, don't आप जो सोच रहे हो ना वो लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए सोच के चलिए. ये नहीं सोचना है कि somehow I want to pass the exam. हाँ, वो तो आप हो ही जाएंगे, उसमें कोई डाउट नहीं है. And you might know whatever you are studying, whatever marks you are getting, that is only 30% part. 70% part is what you have understood in engineering, how you have developed your attitude, what skills you have developed, that is more important. होप मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ आपको समझ में आ रहा है ना. तो बाकी चीजें काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है, उनका वेटेज मोर देन 70% है. तो ये नहीं होना चाहिए कि I am all clear, I got 70% marks, I got 90% marks in engineering, and now I'll get the job. No. This will not happen. Okay? Your job, whether you want to go for higher studies, whether you want to be entrepreneur, okay, all depends upon your attitude. और attitude कब develop होता है? कब develop होता है attitude? Lecture attend करने से? No.
Communication and skills.
Correct. उसको डेवलप करना पड़ेगा, है ना. स्किल डेवलप करने पड़ेंगे, कम्युनिकेशन स्किल डेवलप करना पड़ेगा. सो फॉर दैट यू हैव टू वर्क. At least you start at least in the first and second semester of first year. You concentrate on whatever is told to you. At least उसको सर्च करो, एक बार गूगल सर्च करो. हो सकता है you understood only one or two new things. Use reference book. कुछ नहीं करोगे तो कुछ नहीं होगा, पास होगे तो कुछ फायदा नहीं होगा, है ना. समझ में आ रहा है सबको?
Yes sir.
तो कहीं ना कहीं आपको ट्रस्ट करना पड़ेगा. एंड टाइम बिंग हम कहाँ पे ट्रस्ट कर सकते हैं? ट्रस्ट ऑन अस, एटलीस्ट टाइम बिंग. टिल यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड एनी अदर थिंग्स. आपको एग्जैक्टली क्या करना है, कैसे करना है, ये जब तक आपको समझ में आए, टिल दैट टाइम यू ट्रस्ट ऑन अस. यू ट्रस्ट ऑन योर पेरेंट्स, उतना तो कर सकते हैं, राइट. लेट मी टेल यू अ स्मॉल स्टोरी एंड देन आई विल कंटिन्यू. तो एक आई वांट 2 minutes ओनली, आई एम नॉट वेस्टिंग योर टाइम. सो एक महाराज जी थे, अच्छे वाले महाराज जी थे. आज जो आसाराम बापू वगैरह ऐसे महाराज जी नहीं थे, अच्छे वाले महाराज थे, ठीक महाराज. तो एक तो उनका ये था कि वो जब भी सुबह उठते थे तो थोड़ा सा तैयार होके, एक छोटी लड़की थी अराउंड 8-10 साल की, तो जो दूसरे गांव से आती थी उनको, और दूध लाके देती थी. तो वो दूध थोड़ा सा गर्म करके पीते थे, और वो उनका जो भी है प्रवचन वगैरह, तो प्रीचिंग जो है, तो वो करते थे. तो उसमें वो सारी चीजें जो आजकल के महाराज जी बताते हैं कि ये चीजें करनी चाहिए, ऐसे रहना चाहिए, ये सब बताते थे. तो ये जो छोटी लड़की है, तो वो दूसरे गांव से आती थी, बीच में एक नदी पड़ती थी. तो कई बार ये होता था कि वो काफी लेट हो जाती थी. तो ये थोड़ा सा उस पर थोड़ा सा गुस्सा हो जाती थी कि यार क्यों लेट हो रहे हो, आप टाइम पे आ जाओ, मुझे टाइम होता है. तो एक बार क्या होता है कि लड़की थोड़ा सा लेट आती है. बारिश के दिन रहते हैं तो बाढ़ आई होती है नदी में, तो वो लेट आती है. और ये जो महाराज जी है वो थोड़ा सा उसको डांटते हैं कि क्या हो गया, क्यों लेट आ गई. तो ठीक है, वो लड़की सुनती है और वहीं पे बैठ जाती है. तो महाराज जी बताते हैं कि ट्रस्ट के बारे में उस दिन उनका प्रवचन रहता है. तो बताती है कि ट्रस्ट कैसे करना चाहिए, क्या करना चाहिए, ट्रस्ट करने से क्या फायदे होते हैं, सब बताते. वो लड़की सुनती है और जाती है. दूसरे दिन से क्या होता है कि लड़की टाइम पे आने लगती है. कितनी भी बारिश हो, कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम्स हो, तो महाराज जी को लगता है कि ये कैसे टाइम पे आ रही है. तो उसको पूछते हैं वो थोड़ा सा कि क्या हो रहा है, आप टाइम पे कैसे आ रहे हो. तो वो बोलती है कि कुछ नहीं महाराज जी, मैंने समझा है कि ट्रस्ट करना चाहिए. तो मैं क्या करती हूँ, जब भी ज्यादा बाढ़ आती है ना, तो मैं जब पानी में निकलती हूँ तो मैं बोलती हूँ कि मुझे दूध देने के लिए जाना है, और मैं अपने जो भी भगवान जी है उनका नाम लेती हूँ, तो अपने आप रास्ता तैयार हो जाता है और मैं इस तरफ पहुंच जाती हूँ. तो महाराज जी को थोड़ा सा ये लगता है कि ऐसे कैसे, पॉसिबल ही नहीं, ऐसे कोई यदि कोई किसी का अपने भगवान का नाम ले और बाढ़ में जहाँ पे काफी सारा पानी है नदी में और वहां पे रास्ता तैयार हो जाए, पॉसिबल ही नहीं। ठीक है, तो महाराज जी बोलते चलो मुझे दिखाओ, तो ये दोनों जाते हैं। फिर वही नदी के पास जाते हैं। अभी लड़की को अपने गांव जाना होता है, महाराज जी उसके साथ देखने के लिए आते हैं। महाराज जी भी चाहते हैं कि वो भी उससे पार हो जाए, तो लड़की जाती है और बोलती है कि मुझे अपने घर जाना है, भगवान का नाम लेती है और जाने लगती है। अपने आप रास्ता तैयार हो जाता है, और वो हाइपोथेटिकल स्टोरी है, आप उसको थोड़ा सा समझ लीजिए। और दूसरी तरफ वो पहुंच जाती है, और पहुंचने के बाद वो फिर महाराज जी पीछे मुड़ के देखते तो महाराज जी उधर ही रहते हैं। तो महाराज जी को बोलती कि आप आ जाओ आ जाओ, लेकिन महाराज जी डर जाते हैं, महाराज जी उधर नहीं जा सकते, क्योंकि महाराज जी बता रहे कि ट्रस्ट कैसे करना चाहिए, क्या करना चाहिए, लेकिन ही डोंट ट्रस्ट ऑन द गॉड। जबकि एग्जैक्टली उल्टा है कि लड़की, उसको ज्यादा कुछ पता नहीं है, उसको महाराज जी ने बताया, उसको लगता है कि हाँ ये सही है, और वो ट्रस्ट करती है और वो काम हो जाता है ना। तो इसी प्रकार है, यदि आपको आपकी जिंदगी में सक्सेसफुल होना है तो ट्रस्ट करना पड़ेगा। कहाँ पे ट्रस्ट करना है ये आपको सोचना है। टाइम बिंग आपके फादर एंड मदर, कई बार ये होता है कि हम उनके ऊपर ट्रस्ट नहीं करते। हम हमेशा ये, नॉट एवरीवन, लेकिन काफी सारे लोग रहते हैं कि हाँ मदर ऐसी है, मेरे फादर ऐसे ही है, उनको कुछ समझ में नहीं आता, मुझे काफी ज्यादा समझ में आता है, ऐसा बोलते हैं। हाँ, तो एटलीस्ट हम ये समझ सकते हैं कि एटलीस्ट वी शुड ट्रस्ट अवर फादर एंड मदर। या यहाँ पे आने के बाद अभी लेक्चर स्टार्ट हो रहा है, तो थोड़ा सा मेरे ऊपर आपका ट्रस्ट होना चाहिए। हाँ, कि आज हम जो भी पढ़ेंगे कुछ नया पढ़ेंगे, कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग पढ़ेंगे। नो डाउट इट विल बी इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर द एग्जाम, एंड इट विल बी इम्पोर्टेंट इन 3rd semester, 4th semester, maybe after engineering also if you want to go for the research, या कुछ डिजाइनिंग में वगैरह जाना है, तो वो वहां पे मुझे कुछ फायदे का रहेगा। ये यदि ट्रस्ट आपके पास नहीं है, then it is difficult to understand the mathematics, then it is difficult to understand any session, maybe mathematics or maybe of any other subject. Huh? At least the moral of story is hame somewhere we have to trust. Okay, so let me continue. So we were here, I think we were here. यहाँ पे थे solution of the degree. So we understood 3 types of solutions are there. Then 9 different methods are there to solve the first order differential equation. In this unit, our aim is to solve the first order differential equation of this type: m dx plus n dy equal to 0, or dy by dx equal to minus m by n. 9 methods hai. We started with the variable separable method. Whenever integrand and integration with respect to, see the first example. Integrand is e raised to x and integration with respect to x, then we can integrate. Same is true for the y, second, third, fourth. Okay, but in case of fifth, integrand is function of x and integration with respect to y, which is not possible, and therefore the 9 methods are there. So उसके बाद हमने समझा कि what we have to do, we have to separate the variables, y on one side, x on one side, and then we have to integrate. Whenever we are integrating, we have to add a constant. Since order of differential equation is 1, one constant is to be added. The constant, arbitrary constant, may be written in any convenient form. Okay, then we understood the 2 examples. This was the first example, this was the second example, and we understood how we can write the constant, so that example will be simplified. Then we were going through the example number 3. Let me solve the example number 3. You might have solved it already. Okay, just check it whether it is correct or not. Okay, इसको थोड़ा सा या आपके कुछ अलग अलग आंसर आ रहे हैं, तो उसको समझते हैं कि ये अलग है या नहीं, या उसमें मैथमेटिकली क्या सिमिलैरिटी है, that we want to understand. Okay, so the example was like this. Give me 1 minute only. Let me start it. Yes, page number 17. Start writing with me. Okay, आप में शायद ऐसा कोई नहीं होगा कि लिख नहीं रहा है। हाँ, तो ये मत समझना कि नोट्स दिए जाते हैं, अभी लिखने की क्या जरूरत। जब आप लिखोगे तभी आपको समझ में आएगा, else it is very difficult to understand. Okay, so example was like this: dy by dx plus 1 upon 1 plus y square divided by 1 plus x square. I think example was like this. You can cross check it. So whenever this type of example are there, and if you don't understand anything, just you write dy by dx equal to, and remaining things on other side. This will be the first step. Okay, then you mark the terms in y, say dy and 1 plus y square. So it will be like this: dy divided by 1 plus y square and minus of dx divided by 1 plus x square. So variable separated. Okay, I'm not writing all these things now. Now you might have understood it. So let me integrate it, and the integration is like this: dx divided by 1 plus x square and I have to add constant. So till I have not understood how to add the constant, so I'll wait for some time. Tan inverse y equal to, now you can write minus, if you don't want to write the negative sign, you can write cot inverse x. But for the similarity, it is better to write in this form, tan inverse x. And then since both are tan, better to write tan inverse c as the constant. Okay, so we decided to write the tan inverse c. Okay, hope you might have understood that we are not writing cot, so that there will be similarity, and you will understand in next step what is the help of similarity. What is tan inverse a plus tan inverse b? Hope you know this formula. Tan inverse a plus tan inverse b. Yes, that is equal to tan inverse of a plus b divided by 1 minus ab. So let me use that formula. So it will give tan inverse of y plus x divided by 1 minus xy equal to tan inverse c. So x plus y divided by 1 minus xy equal to c. This is the solution. Any doubt in this answer? Are you getting any other
Sir.
answer? Yes.
सर जो माइनस tan इनवर्स x है ना, उसको दूसरे साइड नहीं लेके क्या, tan c माइनस tan x
चलेगा,
उस
कोई
पे आप
प्रॉब्लम
करते
नहीं,
हैं?
लेकिन कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, एग्जैक्टली देयर इज नो एनी प्रॉब्लम, बट इट इज ऑलवेज बेटर टू राइट x and y on one side whenever possible again, and write constant separately if possible. So whatever you have written, that is also correct, no problem. But from here finding conclusion is simple. Okay, mathematically this is more correct, right? I am not saying your answer is wrong, that is also correct. Okay, yes, we'll go through the next example. Yes, Radha, next example.
Sir, we can write just C also, na?
That is also correct. So your answer may be tan inverse x plus tan inverse y plus tan inverse x equal to some constant. That is also correct, no problem.
Yes.
But again, see, since this time we have MCQ exam, na? So it is always better to write answer in this way. In exam, the answer will be in this form. So options will be like this: x plus y divided by 1 minus xy equal to c, and like this. Okay, so you understand all the methods, and it is always better to understand all the methods, and whatever methods I am using, mathematically they are more correct. Mathematically more correct means if this problem is to be solved in industry or somewhere else, then this method is used. Okay, so better to understand in this way, and see, and by practice only you will understand how to consider the constant. Okay, so we'll go through the few more examples, 1-2 more examples on the variable separable. This is the most important method. See, remaining 8 methods are there. In all the cases, we are going to convert the differential equation in this form. Variable separable form will be the second last step, and last step will be to integrate on both sides and get the required solution. Okay, right? So variable separable method is very important. Yes, we'll go through the next example. Write down dy by dx equal to. This was page number 17. Let me start with the page number 18. You try this. Dy by dx equal to, 1 minute is for you to try this answer. E raised to x minus y plus 3x square e raised to minus y. First, e raised to x minus y plus 3x square e raised to minus y. Try to separate the variables first.
P raised to y minus e raised to x minus 6s is equals to C.
Correct. You have taken e raised to minus y outside, na?
Yes, separated it.
Okay. So e raised to minus y is taken outside. Then what is remaining? E raised to x
plus 3x.
plus 3x square. Absolutely. This is dy by dx. So mark the terms in y, dy and e raised to minus y. So dy divided by e raised to minus y equal to e raised to x plus 3x square dx. Now integrate. So e raised to minus y will become e raised to plus y dy equal to e raised to x plus 3x squared dx plus, don't know how to write the constant, we'll decide, e raised to y equal to e raised to x plus 3x cubed divided by 3 plus. So see, two of the terms, they are the exponential and one is polynomial term. So there is no similarity. So just write c. So this is the answer. E raised to x equal e raised to y equal to e raised to x plus x cube plus constant. Hope everyone is getting same answer. Next example. Right, y dy by dx equal to 1 plus x square plus y square plus x square y square. Try it. 1 minute is there. Everything is inside the root, huh? Root of 1 plus x square plus y square plus x square y square. Yes. How we can, is it possible to separate x and y from the right side?
Yes, y square common.
Common.
Very good. From the third and fourth term, you take y square common. Good. Now this is the first term and this is the second term. What we can take common from first and second term? 1 plus x square. What is remaining? 1 plus y square. That is like this. 1 plus x square and 1 plus y square. We can separate the roots. Okay, separate the variables now. This is y, this is y, this is term in y. Y dy and root of 1 plus y square. Write them on one side. Let me change the page. Okay, so it is like this. I'll change the page. Y divided by root of 1 plus y square dy equal to 1 plus x square dx. Integrate. One plus x square dx plus constant. I don't think there will be similarity, so let me add the constant. Whenever required, we'll change it. So now I am to use this formula using integration of, see, this formula we studied, f of y, derivative is f dash of y. If derivative is in numerator, what is the answer? 2 root of f of y, right? This is one formula that we want to use. Another formula is integration of a square plus x square dx. X root of x square plus a square divided by 2 plus a square by 2 log of x plus root of x square plus a square, isn't it? So just compare these two, this one and this term. So here what is a square is 1 plus x square and 1 plus a square, na? So what the a is 1. Okay, so small adjustment is required. See, 1 plus y square, what is derivative of 1 plus y square? 2y. So 2 is required in numerator, right? And whenever I'm writing 2 in numerator, I have to write 1 upon 2 outside the 2 in denominator, that is 1 upon 2 outside the integral. Okay, so from here I'm writing answer from here using above two formulas. 1/2 as it is, okay, into 2 root of f of y, that is 2 1 plus y square equal to x square plus 1 divided by 2 plus a is 1, so 1 upon 2 log of x plus x square plus 1 plus some constant. Okay, so ultimately answer is like this. Check whether your answer is like this. So you should know all the formulas, huh? Those from the A division. Yesterday we conducted one lecture for B. Fortunately, I got one extra lecture of the B division only. And we have conducted one lecture on formulas. We have listed all the formulas. I have posted those formulas on the Google Classroom. Please go through the formulas, go through the video. And simultaneously within 1 hour, you can write all the formulas. And please write them in your notebook. You consider it as a homework, writing all the formulas. I have already there in the question set also. Yes, this is all about the variable separable method. Examples for homework. Due date is Monday. I'll list all the examples together from the formation, and I will give them to you. I'll post possible. Yes, possible. I'll do that. Next item. Let me change the page. Any doubt till? Which doubt hai? Okay, so let me continue. Page number 20. Okay, I have to change the page. Page number 20, write down second method. Substitution method. Right, 1. If differential equation is dy by dx equal to function of ax plus by. Function of ax plus by, you understand na? Ax plus by term is repeated. You write in front of this, ax plus by term is repeated. Or every term is in the form of ax plus by. You understand this, okay? Start. Substitute for this type of differential equations. Start. Substitute u equal to ax plus by. Then add differentiating with respect to. How to understand whether we have to differentiate with respect to x or y? See what is in denominator, x. So differentiating with respect to x, du by dx equal to derivative of x is a, derivative of y is dy by dx. From here write down dy by dx. Can I write it directly? Dy by dx equal to, see, du by dx and a on other side, so minus a, multiply by b will be converted into 1 upon b. This is dy by dx. Right? Dy by dx obtained from above equation by whatever method known to use that. Use above substitutions in given differential equation. It will be reduced to variable separable form. So ultimately we have to reduce the differential equation to variable separable form. There is no alternative. Next item, which is 1. Whenever ax plus by term is repeated, okay? This is one possibility. Next item, if differential equation is dy by dx equal to some function of y by x. So this y by x term is repeated, okay? So you might have understood what the substitution will be. Substitute u equal to y by x. That gives y equal to ux. Now you have to differentiate with respect to what is in denominator of derivative term x. If there is confusion whether we have to differentiate with respect to x or y, see what is in denominator of derivative term. So x. So dy by dx, use product rule. U as it is, derivative of x is 1. X as it is, derivative of u is du by dx. Use above substitutions in given differential equation. And then you know the remaining things. Differential equation will be reduced to variable separable form. I am not writing it again and again. You understand it. Third, hope you are writing with me. If I am going fast, if any change in speed is required, let me know. Then I'm done. If differential equation is dx by dy equal to function of x by y, huh? Substitute u equal to x by y. That is x equal to uy. And then differentiate with respect to what?
Y.
Yeah, absolutely. What is in denominator of the derivative? Y. Okay. So dx by dy. U as it is, derivative of y with respect to y is 1. Y as it is, du by dy. Use above substitution in given differential equation, and then you'll get the required answer. Okay, again, all these things will be clear once we start solving different examples on the substitution method. Let me start with the examples.
So just a minute.
Right. No problem. Yes, can I go through the next example?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me change the page. Page number 21 now, right? Right. Solve following differential equations. Right, 1 dy by dx equal to 1 minus x, this is x, tan of x minus y. 1 minus x tan of x minus y. Yes, what will be substitution? Is it in variable separable form? From the tan of x minus y, is it possible to separate x and y? No, that will be tan x. You remember, tan a minus b formula, remember, na? So tan x minus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x tan y. Not possible to separate x and y by any method. No doubt, alternative we have, and it is substitution. Substitute. Substitute. Yes, anyone? What will be substitution? U equal to x minus y. Okay, below that write down differentiating with respect to x. differentiate with respect to x. Du by dx equal to 1, derivative of x is 1, derivative of y is dy by dx. So dy by dx equal to 1 minus du by dx. Using substitution in 1. Use this substitution in 1. So 1 will be reduced to dy by dx. That is 1 minus du by dx. Getting everyone now? Equal to 1 minus x as it is. Tan of x minus y. That will become tan of u. Very simple. Right? 1 can be cancelled from both sides. Minus sign also can be cancelled from both sides. So we have du by dx equal to x tan u. Du divided by tan u equal to x dx. Variable separable form. Integrate. And try to reduce this into integrable form. If you don't understand how the constant leaves space, or write c. So what is integration of cot u? Log of sin u. Hope everyone is getting the answer. Any doubt in any particular step?
No, sir.
Okay. Next example, write down. Let me change the page. Have you written the answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Let me change the page. Next. Right. X raised, second example. X raised to 4 dy by dx plus x cube y Yes, can anyone tell me what will be the substitution? Yes, anyone, what will be substitution?
U is equal to xy.
Very good. Shut down, substitute. Then write differentiating with respect to x. Derivative of y is dy by dx plus y as it is. So 1 is like this. Let me make small change in 1. I can take x cube common from the left hand side. No change in the right hand side. Now use the substitution. See, this square bracket, it is here. Okay, so it is x cube du by dx equal to sec of u. That's it. Separate the variables.
Sir, the substitution du by dx minus y into 1 by x will na?
That is also okay, no? See, after writing du by dx equal to x dy by dx plus y, I understood that if I take x cube common from the left side of the given differential equation, I'll get the term x dy by dx plus y. Okay. So if you don't understand, and suppose from here you have written dy by dx. Dy by dx equal to du by dx minus y, and into 1 upon x. I think you'll get dy by dx like this. And if you substitute this dy by dx in equation number 1, you'll get the same answer. Ultimately,
Yes, sir.
at the end, after separating the variables, you will get like this: du divided by sec u equal to dx divided by x cube. So cos u, solve by any method, mathematically don't have any problem, and we'll get the same answer. Integration of cos u, sin u, positive, huh? This is correct. Are you getting answer like this? Next. Next page. Can I change the page?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me change it. $23. Okay, so right. XY log of x by y dx plus yes, anyone, what will be substitution?
U equals to x by y.
Understand that it is not y by x, x by y. And since we are substituting u equal to x by y, how we are to write differential equation? Dx by dy or dy by dx?
dx by dy.
Dx by dy. So from this differential equation, first you write dx by dy, and then we'll use the substitution. Okay. So let me make the required changes. So like this, xy. You can skip this step for understanding. I'm writing this step also. Not so much important step. You can skip this. This is little bit algebraic calculation only. Minus sign I'm considering inside. First I decided substitution, then substitution is x by y, therefore I have written dx by dy, and then I have given it as number 1, equation number 1. Now write substitute. With respect to y, So I'm using this value of x, huh? X U Y. Now simplify it. Cross multiply. Cross multiplication. I have to change the page. You can skip few steps. If required, you can add few more steps. But whatever steps we have written, we should get answer in this way. Okay, let me change the page. Hope you might have written all these things. Variable separable form. Use integration by parts formula. Use this rule to decide the P. So log U is the P. U is the Q. Okay, so let me use the formula P as it is. Integration of U. P dash derivative of the log U. Can I write it directly? 1 upon U. Integration of Q. Equal to integration of dy by y. Simplify this. Integration of u is you can skip this step.
मला एवढं पण नाही. तुला फुल पाहिजे का फुल सांगतो. फुल घे, तुमचं खाली मला चांगलं पण नाही बघ. फुलच नाही.
Can keep as it is, or you can write few more simple equations, but I don't think it is required.
सर log y आएगा ना?
हाँ, this one log y. Correct. Next. Can I change the page?
Sir,
Uh-huh. Any doubt here? Any doubt while solving the example?
No, sir.
Okay, let me continue. Few things that we want to understand about the homogeneous differential equation. Let me continue, please. Let me continue for next 5 minutes. Okay, so next page number 25. Right, type number 3. Homogeneous differential equation. A first order first degree differential equation of the form m function of xy dx plus n function of xy dy equal to 0 is said to be homogeneous differential equation if both m and n are homogeneous. Homogeneous algebraic function, you remember na? That we studied in the Euler's theorem, partial differential equation, unit number 5. Sorry, unit number 3. Hope you remember it. Both m and n are homogeneous. And their degree is same. For example, so first we'll understand what is homogeneous algebraic equation, huh? And then we will go to the differential equation. 1 x cube plus 3xy square plus y cube. Is it homogeneous? Is the degree of every term same? What is degree of the first term? 3. Right? X cube is there, na? What is degree of second term? Degree of constant 0. Degree of x is 1. Degree of y is 2. So 0 plus 1 plus 2, 3. Yes, homogeneous. And what the degree is? Degree is equal to 3. Yes, is it homogeneous? Who remember this?
sir, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, degree of numerator 5, degree of denominator 1. So 5 minus 1, 4. Okay, so conclusion is homogeneous. Okay, इट इज नॉट रिक्वायर दैट डिग्री ऑफ न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर इज सेम। कोई जरूरत नहीं है। यस, ये होमोजेनियस है। याद है ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन, एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन, उसके लिए हम क्या करते हैं? साइन थीटा ई रेज टू थीटा लॉग थीटा, थीटा शुड बी होमोजेनियस एंड डिग्री ऑफ थीटा शुड बी 0। हाँ, इसको याद रखना है। तो डिग्री ऑफ न्यूमरेटर 2 है, डिग्री ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर 2, 2 - 2 0 आएगा। सो ये होमोजेनियस है। होप सबको याद है ये सब कुछ। और डिग्री कितना है इसका? 0 है। Yes. E raised to x cube y, is it homogeneous? What is its degree? डिग्री बता सकता है कोई? चैट बॉक्स में लिख दीजिए। उतना टाइम नहीं है क्या? ठीक है, फिर भी लिख दीजिए। चैट बॉक्स में डिग्री लिख दीजिए।
नॉन होमोजेनियस।
Yes. Chat box. Everyone know now how to use chat box? Degree. Fast. Write the degrees. Tejas, Saurabh, Kastub. चलो डिग्री लिखो जल्दी। Saurabh Paul has left the meeting. Why? डिग्री फास्ट। हाँ, नॉन होमोजेनियस डिग्री नहीं फाइंड कर सकते। डिग्री ऑफ न्यूमरेटर x³/3 है ना? x³/3 है, सॉरी x³/y है। डिग्री ऑफ न्यूमरेटर इज 3, डिनोमिनेटर इज 1, डिग्री इज 2, सो नॉट अलाउड इट। सो नॉन होमोजेनियस। थोड़ा आप M1 के नोट्स थोड़ा सा एक बार देखिए, गूगल क्लासरूम पे भी है, आपके पास भी रहेंगे। ठीक है, नॉन होमोजेनियस। ओके, नाउ लेट मी टेक अ डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन। Yes, is it homogeneous? What is degree of m? इसका कितना डिग्री है? 3 है ना? What is degree of this term? 2. But what we have written before some time, ये ऊपर ही लिखा है। m and n are homogeneous and their degree is same. Degree is not same, so right. Non homogeneous. Differential equation is non-homogeneous. That we want to say. Getting? Are you getting this?
Yes,
Good.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Next. X square sine of y by x dx plus y square e raised to x by y dy equal to 0. So degree of x square is 2. What is degree of sine y by x? 0. So what is degree of this m? 2. Very good. Degree is 2. Degree of exponential term is 0. So degree of n is 2. So homogeneous. Okay. Hope you might have understood this. Let me take the attendance. Give me 1 minute only. Written everything?
Yes, sir.
So tomorrow we'll start with how to solve next lecture. From next week we'll conduct the tutorial. During tutorial we'll try to solve the MCQs. Flipped classroom we are shifting it to the next week. Next week sometime I will take the flipped classroom. Till that time, see 2-3 things are there. I think everyone has everyone is there in the Google Classroom. If not, please join the Google Classroom. One feedback is there of the introduction to LaTeX. उसका feedback देना है आपको. Okay. थर्ड जो PBL ग्रुप है मेरे पास 3 ग्रुप है, तो एक ग्रुप ने मुझे कॉल किया, बाकी 2 के लोगों को मुझे कॉल करना है आज। नहीं, 2 लोगों ने कॉल किया, शायद एक कोई बचा है, तो मुझे कॉल करना है और एक छोटा सा मीटिंग लेके हमें फाइनल करना है। 4th आपको कल यू विल गेट होम असाइनमेंट्स टुमारो। ओके, उसको सॉल्व करना है। और ये बीच में इफ यू वांट एनी चेंज इन टीचिंग मेथोडोलॉजी और जो भी है मटेरियल हम दे रहे हैं या अपलोड कर रहे हैं, तो उसमें कुछ चेंज है, कुछ चेंज रिक्वायर्ड है, मुझे आप डायरेक्टली कॉल कीजिए, व्हाट्सएप पे मुझे मैसेज भेजिए, या अभी क्लासरूम में भी आप बता सकते हैं. Okay, give me 1 minute. Let me take the attendance. Before that, I'll stop this recording. Stop recording. Okay.